Hey guys, in this video, I will show you the 3 iPhone shortcuts for smart users. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So let's start with automated greetings. Never forget to send a birthday or anniversary message. Again, with this thoughtful shortcut, once you're in the Shortcuts app, tap on the plus icon to create a new shortcut. In the Action search bar, type Send Message and select your preferred message option. For example, I prefer the normal message to send a text message. After adding that, tap on the text field within the action to type out your greeting message. Next to the Recipients field to choose a contact from your contact list. Then name it to the shortcut as you prefer. Then click on Done to save the shortcut. To schedule when the message should be sent, you need to use automation. At the bottom, tap on the automation icon to go to the Automation tab. Tap on New Automation to create a new automation. Select time of day to schedule when the message should be sent and choose the specific dates and times. After setting the schedule, choose to run immediately action in your automation. Then at the top right, tap on Next and select the greeting shortcut you just made. This will link your scheduled time to the greeting message you created. Now your iPhone will automatically send the greeting message at the scheduled times. The other one is Morning Report Automation. This shortcut sends you a summary of your day. When you stop your morning alarm, it will tell you the weather, your first appointment, and even your commute time. Let's set it up together. Open the Shortcuts app, go to Gallery, tap on Search bar and search for Upcoming. Then add the resulted option. Now go back to the automation, tap the plus icon to create new automation and choose Alarm. Select is stopped. Then select Run immediately at the top right. Click on Next and add actions for open upcoming events. So if you have any events on your calendar, those will be shown up when you turn on. Last but not least, Location Reminder. Reminders based on your location to remember tasks when you are near specific places. Tap on the plus to create a new shortcut. Then in the search bar, search for Show Notification and select it. Now enter the text which you want to display as a notification. For example, I will enter like this. Once you enter the text, name the shortcut as Grocery. Then click on the Done to save the shortcut. Now go to the automation. Look at the top right of the screen, click on the plus icon, then choose the Arrive option here. Now add the location where you want. After that, select the distance, how much before you want to get this reminder, then close the time. I am leaving it in any time, then change it to run immediately. Now click on Next, and then select your grocery shortcut. You have successfully set up a location-based reminder. Now, whenever you arrive at the grocery, your phone will remind you like this. And that's it. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.